What's up everybody? My name is Caitlin Blair and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my very first YouTube video and I thought it was only appropriate to start with something that I love more than anything, which is decorating for Halloween. I've been decorating for Halloween since I was about 5 years old with my parents. It was always a really big deal for us. It's pretty much our Christmas, if not more so. And now my fiance and I like to decorate together and we get a lot of compliments and a lot of questions on how we decorate. I thought I would give you guys a little behind the scenes look at our decorating process and what I do when I decorate our fireplace and our dining table, since those are the most intricate places that we decorate. Everything else is a little easier to do, so I thought I would show you how I decorate those areas and then give you a little spooky Halloween house tour at the very end when everything is lit up at night. I originally wanted to record a voiceover for you guys for the decorating portion, but I am running out of time. Tomorrow is Halloween and I'm getting this up really late. I've been working on this for weeks now and I just wanted to bring you the best possible video that I could. So I hope you enjoy it, and with that being said, let's get started. That was the behind the scenes look at my decorating process. Now I'm going to give you guys the fun little montage of all of the night shots of what everything looks like lit up at night. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with anyone that you know that loves Halloween or just loves decorating for the holidays. And if you liked it and would like to see more content like this, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and happy Halloween!